What's the most important skill that you need in order to capture the amazing power of ChatGPT? And what are 3 resources that can help you learn that skill quickly? The skill is prompting, the questions that you ask ChatGPT. And I've got multiple sites here that can show you how to do it. Your first ChatGPT cheat sheet is a wonderful new site just launched a couple of days ago called promptvibes.com. And some of the real power here is in all these categories of prompts that they have. Given that I'm a marketer, I looked at the marketing prompts, and there's all kinds of frameworks and marketing strategy. I went all the way down to the bottom to social media manager. Amazingly powerful prompts here. The second one is actually in GitHub, and they give instructions about ChatGPT prompts, but also have they have an amazing selection of curated ChatGPT prompts in all kinds of disciplines. I like the storyteller one in particular, stand-up comedian, technical stuff, debating coaches. This is at GitHub, awesome ChatGPT prompts. And the guy who actually curated the GitHub prompts has his own ebook available on Gumroad. His name is Fatih Kadir Akin, and you can actually buy this one for $0. In other words, you can download it for free, or it'd be nice to buy him a cup of coffee. He's a computer scientist programmer who lives in Turkey. He also has another one that is $5, how to make money with ChatGPT, and this one is also a really incredible resource. I coughed up the $5, and I'll give you a quick look at the table of contents. It covers a lot of really meaningful marketing strategies, business strategies. I recommend it. So get out there, put these prompts into action. You'll learn by doing it. You'll have fun. You'll be amazed. Your mind will be blown. Enjoy.